Welcome to my YouTube channel Gion's Tech. So today we will learn about introduction to SQL Server and how to install SQL Server. Friends, this is about myself. I have total 16 years of IT experience. Mostly I worked on Microsoft technologies, Azure, SQL, SSIS, C Sharp, and these are the technologies I worked. You can email me on this email ID. So let's see introduction to SQL Server. So in simple words, SQL Server is a database where you can store and manage the data. Okay, so SQL Server is also a relational database management system. So it means in simple words, what is relational database? You can create the relations between the data stored in the tables. Okay, so this is the database for an example, and we can store the data and we can see the data in a tabular format. Okay, table and or we can see the data in tabular and organized format after storing. Okay, so hope you understood this, the basic part what is SQL Server. So the next part is how to install SQL Server database and SQL Server Management Studio. So we will see installation of both. So let's see. Okay, so open the Google and type install SQL Server. Okay, so this is the first link, SQL Server download. Okay, so click on this. Okay, so this page will open. So you have these options are available: SQL Server on Azure, SQL Server at Edge, and SQL Server on on-prem. Okay, so if you go down here, so there are two options. Okay, one is for the developer to download and second is Express version. So let's see the what is the difference between developer and Express. SQL Server 2022 developer is a full feature free additional license to use a development and test a database in non-production environment. Okay, this is a free version for developers. Okay, but used in non-production environment. And let's see what is Express version. SQL Server 2022 Express is a free edition of SQL Server, ideal for development and production for desktop, web, and small server applications. Okay, so let's start downloading. So we will download this one, developer edition. So let's click on download to download the developer edition. Okay, so you can see SQL Server 2022 has been downloaded. Okay, so just double click on this to install. Now this page will open. Okay, SQL Server 2002 developer edition. So there are three types like SQL Server installation type: basic, custom, and download media. Okay, in basic, select basic installation type to install SQL Server engine with the default configuration. In basic, this is the feature available. And in custom, select custom installation type of setup through the SQL Server installation wizard and choose what you want to install. This installation time is detailed and take longer to run basic installation. Okay, and download media is that setup file will be downloaded on your system. Okay, later on you can download it and later on you can install it on any of the system. Okay, so I am choosing as the basic one. So click on basic. Okay, see these are the license agreement. Okay, so just click on accept. Okay, this is the path where you are going to install the Microsoft SQL Server. Click on install, and this you can see this is the site. Minimum free space is 8494 MB and download size is 1188 MB. So click on install. Now the download installation package has been started. So just wait, it will be downloaded after some time. Now it is showing the installation has been completed successfully. Okay, so this is an instance name MAMS SQL Server. Okay, this is the connection string of your SQL Server, and this is the SQL administrator instead log folder. This log folder is stored in this one. Okay, SQL Server installation log folder, and this is the installation media folder. Okay, and this is the version of the file. Then it is saying a computer restart is required to complete the installation. Okay, now it is showing that connect now. Okay, so you have to copy somewhere this local connection string. Okay, just copy paste this connection string in somewhere. So I'm copying pasting this connection string in notepad. Okay, so I have copied the connection string in notepad. Okay, so let me save this connection string in our local system. On desktop I am saving as connection string. Okay, save. And this is the server name actually, localhost slash my mssql 02. This is the server name. So this will be used to connect our SQL server. So there is one more option is connect now, customize and install SSMS. Okay, so SSMS is nothing but it's a SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so by using this you can like create databases, you can run queries using SQL Server Management Studio SSMS. Okay, so you can install later on also. So if you will click on install SSMS, then you can install from here also. Okay, so I'm clicking on install SSMS. So it is taking me to some site here. Okay, so you can see the download SQL Server Management Studio page has been opened. Okay, by using this. Okay, this is the link of SQL Server Management Studio to download. Okay, now you can download it from here. So there is an option of download SSMS. So click on this. Okay, so there is an option free download for SQL Server SSMS 19.0.2. So this is the latest version which is available. Okay, so click on this to download the SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. Now the exe of SSMS will be downloaded after few moments. Okay, go to download folders. You can see SSMS setup env has been downloaded. Okay, so just click on this to install SSMS. Please click on SSMS exe. Now you can see welcome kit install to begin. Okay, so this is the folder you are going to install SSMS Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 19. Okay, so this is the folder. So just click on install. Now the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio is going to install. Let's wait for some time. Basically SQL Server Management Studio is used to connect the SQL Server. Okay, you can create the database and you can write the queries in SQL Server Management Studio, and you can do many more operations we will discuss in later video. Now it is the message has came setup completed, all specified component has been installed successfully. Okay, so let's close it and I'm going to restart the system. Okay, so let's wait. So my system has been restarted. Okay, so we have completed the installation part. So let's connect the SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so go to start and just open SQL Server Management Studio 19. Okay, so click on this. So SQL Server Management Studio is opening for first time. Okay, so now it is showing the connect to server. Okay, so at the time of so at the type of installation we have copied the connection string. Okay, so you can see the server you can see the server name which we have copied. Okay, at the time of at the time of installation we have copied this connection string, and this is the server name. So we have copied in notepad. This is a notepad. Okay, so you can see in management studio same here. So we need to connect here, connect by entering the same server name, and we are using Windows authentication. Username is this one. So let's click on connect. So now you can see, I mean, local our server has been connected here. Okay, so these are the options here which is coming. These are the options which are coming in SQL Server Management Studio. We can have databases, security, server object, replication, always on Hive. So these are the options we will see in later on video. We can create database in next video also. Okay, so here you can, if you click on new window, it will open a window here. I mean, new window will be opened here. So this, here you can write the queries, SQL queries in this video. Okay, here the database name is coming. Current by default the master database is coming. Okay, and here by default, so here we will write queries, SQL queries. Here we will write SQL queries in this part. Okay, so these are the databases here. These are system databases, master, model, MSDB, temp. So these are already database system databases. Okay, so we can create database in next video. Okay, and we will see the detail about SQL Server also in coming videos. So friends, hope you understood this. Thank you very much.
So friends, this is my YouTube channel Geon's Text. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So let me show you how to search my channel in YouTube. Okay, so just go to YouTube and in search bar just type JYEONS, Geon's Tech. Okay, just click on search. You will find this channel. Okay, and this is my channel name Geon's Tech. I request you to just click on subscribe and press the bell icon as well.